Hello everyone, I'm Ilse Matthias and I'm proud to say that I'm a member of the MMM community. I stay in South Africa, White River in the beautiful Mpumalanga area. On the 23rd of December 2017, I pH 0.02 bitcoins, which I had to pay to an MMM member within 2 days of my pH. On the 14th of January 2018, I GH'd an amount of 1,700 Rand in Bitcoins, which also includes several referral bonuses and video bonuses. I am happy to say that I was paid in full only a few hours later. I would also like to thank Mr. Mabrodi and his team for having created MMM for us to use and work with. I really appreciate the efforts Mr. Mabrodi and his team have made to make this available to us, especially in Bitcoins. I believe that with Bitcoins, MMM is stronger than ever because everyone in the whole world can participate. I keep PHing and GHing on a regular basis so that everyone can profit from the system. I urge all members to PH again so that MMM can be as strong as ever. Together we are succeeding. Viva MMM.